As a stay-at-home homeschool mom, I was looking for creative ways to add some extra income to our house, and I stumbled on making printables. Now, in the comments, there are 3 links. The first 2 are links to 2 of my products, and I wanted to show you just a quick glimpse of some of the things that you can make in printables. The first one I've made about just under $5,000 on this one product. It is a tool to help kids learn how to properly cite their research when they're doing essays and that kind of thing. And when it took me about 40 hours to put that product together with all the research and stuff that I had to do, that product right now averages about $122 an hour of what I made by creating that product. Does that make sense? The second product took me less than an hour to put together, and I've made $637. Oh, I just called it 2 hours, which makes that product worth $318 an hour of my time. These are just 2 sample products. One is a printable for educational purposes. The other is a product for people that do Zoom, and they're just beautiful backdrops that people can use for their Zoom meetings. The third link in the comments is to a very easy class, make and sell printables on Etsy. I use it, I come from it at the perspective of making a simple product, working with you side by side so that you start with nothing and you end up with a complete product, so that I can show you all the steps that I use to actually put printables online. Now, I've made just under $50,000 creating and selling printables online. That may not be like a lot of money to you, but for a stay-at-home homeschool mom of 5, that's a lot of money. So can you make money selling printables? Absolutely. Does it take time? Absolutely. So check out the links, check out the 2 different products so you can get kind of a feel for, there's a lot of opportunities out there. There's a lot of different things. And then come in and join the class, because I can help you learn how to make and sell printables at home too.